What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. It's been a minute, but it's time for another SHEIN try-on haul. I chose a lot of basic pieces this time around, and the majority of what I chose, like these tank tops, came in a set, like a set of 3 or a set of 4. Now these shorts, you guys, I am so in love with these. They fit so well. I picked one in every color. I'm about to show them to you guys, but don't forget that SHEIN has beachwear. They have denim. I am going to show you these denim jeans because I love how they fit and I love how they give me a little tummy control. You guys know I'm down 20 pounds, 30 more to go, so I'm definitely on my weight loss journey, and these shorts are making me feel really good at the moment. I'm not where I want to be body wise and as far as being as fit as I want to be, but I love that SHEIN has lots of sizing options. They have plus size, they have maternity, and did you know they even have kids clothes? Okay, back to the haul. So this is another set that I ordered. I ordered multiple sets where you get the top and the matching bottoms. I love them. They are super, super cute. I love that the waist is elastic and the tops are really lightweight. This one I'm wearing is sort of fleecy and fuzzy. And again, it comes with the matching cream 2-piece, the matching brown, and the matching green. Hopefully you guys can see how fuzzy it is. I had a lot of fun filming this outside for you guys. Now this set of PJs was a little more thin than I would have wanted for a video, which is why I just tried it on over the sports bra, but I love how lightweight it is. This is a little stray cat that just kind of came to our back porch, and she's been here for a couple months. Her name is Midnight, and she was very interested in being in my video. You guys will see her a little later on too. She is the sweetest cat ever. Okay, you guys, so I have some more items to share with you. I have some workout pants. It came with a shirt, sports bra, the bottoms, but I forgot the shorts. I let Birdy wear the shorts and I just forgot to put them back in the haul. And then SHEIN also has 3 to 4 packs, like sets of sports bras. So many sets of sports bras and activewear, and I'm getting back into working out. And most of these are padded with the removable pad, which makes it really easy for washing them. And, you know, or maybe you just want to take the padding out. But yeah, I really like them a lot. A lot. And I love the color choices. The orange one that I'm wearing right now came from this pack right here with the purple, the reddish pink, and the gray one, and it's really super comfortable. Here I'm trying to figure out a potential thumbnail. I was like, yeah, kind of cute with the rustic farm, you know, vibes in the background. Here's another set, and this one is so very soft. I might give this set to Birdy because it is just so incredibly soft, and I think she'd like to try some of these out as well. Oh, by the way, here's a flower from my yard. Yes, you guys, I have a very rustic country yard, and here's the cat once again. Super, super sweet cat. And that's me wearing the 2-piece set. It's like an oversized tee with the matching like bike shorts. It's super comfortable, and I'm looking super pasty. Very much so looking forward to going to the pool this summer. Okay, I had to bust this bag open. Once again, another 4-piece set. I told you guys I was going really heavy on basics this time around. This is a bag of 4 rounded neck t-shirts. I have the orange. I know it's a little overexposed here. Pink. I think I have a light green and a white, or maybe that's a gray. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's like a gray and I think a green. Okay, one more bag left, and then the haul is over, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my SHEIN haul. Definitely check down below. Check out the links. Yep, 4 again in this bag. I just love that they have so many 3 and 4-piece sets. So when you're on their app or their website, just type in tees, 4 pieces, or 4PS. They also do that for shorts, for sleepwear, loungewear, all sorts of things. They even have like 5 and 6-piece silky pajama sets. I really had fun. I hope you guys liked the haul. Don't forget to hit the like button and check out the description box. Bye guys.